Welcome back to our channel. How to delete a split in CapCut. So the first step is that we will just have to launch the CapCut application on my mobile device, and you will just have to export any of video or photo. So example, I want to just apart from this. So first of all, you will just have to tab on this timeline of a video, and as you can see in the left bottom corner option is the split. So just tap once and apart from here, again just tab on it for the split. So we will just have to select it, this one which is center, which is a 2.1 second. So we will just have to delete it. So in this way you will just have to delete split in CapCut very easily. So thank you so much.